Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 5.2 question number 1. The question is find the HCF of 188 and 230 by Euclid's game. Already we know about the Euclid's game condition. What is this? What is that? That is HCF of A comma B equal to HCF of A comma A minus B. Condition if A greater than B. Okay. So Euclid's game condition is HCF of A comma B equal to HCF of A comma A minus B if A is greater than B. Okay. So now find the HCF of, here consider A equal to 188, B equal to 230. Okay, 230. Okay, so now the HCF of, of 188 comma 230. Okay, so how do you find out? Before we are going to find, first we have to solve the prime factorization of 188 and 230 and product the common factors to get the HCF. Find the prime factorization of 188. So 188 is a even number, so which is divisible by 2. So 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8. 94, then it is also divisible by 2, so we get 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14, so 47. So 47, here 47 is the prime number, so which is divisible by itself. Okay, so 47, 147s are 47. Okay, and then 230. Okay, 230. Okay, so first 2, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 115 2s are 213. 115 is the odd number. So odd number which is divisible by 5. Okay, so which is divisible by 5, prime number 5. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Okay. And then here 23. 23 is the prime number. So 23 is a prime number, so which is divisible by itself. So 23, 123 is a 23. Okay. So now the prime factor of 188 equal to 2 into 47, and 230 prime factor of 230 equal to 2 into 5 into 23. Okay. So now product the common factor. Okay, so here the common factor, first mark the common factors 2. So product the common factors to get the HCF of 188 comma 230. So HCF of 188 comma 230 equal to 2. Okay, so HCF of 188 comma 230 equal to 2. Euclid's game condition, same way we have to find the HCF of 188 comma 230 minus 188. Okay, so we have to find the HCF of 188 comma 230 minus 188. Okay, so 230 minus 188 equal to 42. Okay, 42. Okay. So now find the HCF of 188 comma 42. Already we find out the prime factor of 188. 188 equal to 2 into 47. Okay. So 42 equal to 42 is a prime even number, so which is divisible by 2. That is 21. Okay, 21. So 21 which is divisible by 3. So that is 7. So 7 is the prime number. So 7 is a prime number which is divisible by itself. So we get 1. So the prime factor of 42 equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. So product the common factor here that is 2. Okay. So HCF of 188, 42 equal to 2. Okay. Therefore, HCF of 188, 213 is same as the HCF of 188, 42, because the HCF of 188, 230 equal to 2. HCF of 188, 42 equal to 2. So, both are same. Next, we will move on to the question number 3. Complete the following. Taking subdivision 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10. Then 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 14. So here in the box we have to complete the following. In this question we have to complete the following. Okay. So first observe this pattern. Okay, observe this pattern. So here natural numbers. So natural number starts with 1. Okay, the natural number starts with 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Okay. And the next step. Okay, the next step they are following the number starts with the next one. Okay, here first starts 1, and then the next step the number starts with the next number, that is 2. Okay, the 2. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. The next number is 4. Again 5. Okay. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 4, 5. So adding these values, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 9 plus 5 equal to 14. Okay. So what will be the next? What's the next? So that is the next one. The next one, that is 3. So here the answer is 3. Okay. So adding these values, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 7 plus 5 equal to 7 plus 5, it is nothing but 12. So 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 equal to 18. So the answer is 18. Okay. So this is the way. So here the next one is, so write the next one. So that is 4. 4, the continues up to 4 plus 5 plus 6. So what's the next? So the successor of 6 is 7. So here the answer is 7. So adding these values, 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7 equal to 22. So here the answer is 22. Okay. Okay kids, thank you. See you next class.